रेडी?
whenever
कौन
you-
चाहिए?
Yeah.
कट कर. How was your wedding experience?
How was the wedding?
Experience. Since your childhood, you must have thought that okay, one day you are supposed to get married. Yeah, what was your feeling? What was going through?
Wedding?
Yeah.
I'm actually very blank about it. It still doesn't feel like I'm married, frankly, to get to. But all 5 days has been a marathon. Every day has been about waking up at 5 the next morning. So the first day was really exciting. After that, I was like, okay, when does this marathon seem to end? After the first wedding, it was like, tomorrow is going to be another whole new wedding again.
मैं प्रेम में नहीं आ रहा हूँ. It's 5 days of all the events and the marriage and everything. It was a very different experience. I mean, when we started off, basically, the first muhurta, the first function.
Yeah, I did have a lot of butterflies in my stomach.
बनो रे बनो मेरी चली ससुराल को अखियों में पानी दे गई दुआ में मीठी गुड़धानी ले गई.
Earlier it felt like a lot of fun because all your friends have come and you're meeting everybody after really long, so you're greeting everybody and the whole fun's going on.
ससुराल को अखियों में पानी दे गई दुआ में मीठी गुड़धानी ले गई. गुड़िया री गुड़िया तेरा गुड्डा परदेसिया जोड़ी आसमानी हो गई शगुन पे देखो शादमानी.
My aunt put me the wedding ring. We usually have a wedding ring that they put in on the day of the muhurta, which is the first day before the function starts, which says that the girl's going to be ready to be a bride now.
आसमानी हो गई शगुन पे देखो शादमानी हो गई.
रे कबीरा जा रे फकीरा यूं न जा आजा तुझको पुकारे तेरी परछाइयाँ.
You'll be putting a bridal mehndi, which is like the last mehndi before you're going to be getting married. And after that, the next mehndi you're ever going to put in your life is when you're going to be a missus. So it's like your entire process of putting mehndi, and then it's going to be that your wedding bells are going to be ringing as so called. 4 कैमरे उधर है तो इधर भी 3 तो होने चाहिए।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
तू होगी 1 2 2 ओ कुड़िए what to do ओ हो गई मुंडे दी पतंगा वर्गी तू एवें उड़दी ओ हो गई मुंडे दी हिला ते चलदी टुक टुक तू करदी मेकअप तू करदी आ अंग्रेजी पढ़दी गिट पिट तू करदी जिमें कोई साडी विक्टोरिया तू कंटी बिग बैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा ओ जदों नचे पैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा तू कंटी बिग बैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा ओ जदों नचे पैन दी पूरा लंदन ठुमकदा सिर ते गिलासी रख पंजाबी स्टाइल विच लस्सी दा गिलास खिच
बाजी वाह
And day 1 Murta went pretty well. अच्छा हो गया. Then the second day was Sangeet.
It's going to be a drinking, partying, friends event again. So it sounded very interesting.
पंजाब दा पुत्र है पिंड जलंधर यार वही वही अखियों से किल करदा किंग टाइप दा है टंग लाइफ दा यार वही वही खेतां विच किल करदा
Nandita telling me a couple of years ago, you know, Tudu Didi, I know this guy called Manmi. And I never knew what he looked like. And he was a nice, round, chubby little fellow many years ago. And so was Nandita those days. And she said we were good friends. Couple of years later, both of them had lost a little weight. They looked more handsome and more beautiful. And then I asked Nandita, now what? He says, you know what, Tuduriti? Something very strange happened. And I said, what? He said, just the other day, Manmeet went on his knees and he looked at my eyes and he said, oh, Gudi, tusi bade sunde lage rahe. Ladies and gentlemen, Manmeet Sahib.
Best part of the Sangeet was I always wanted to propose to Nandita, but it never happened, and how the things flew, and you know, then family से बात कर ली, हम आगे चले गए, चीज़ें हो गई. Like I never got a chance to propose Nandita, and I never got like a moment where I could plan things. Luckily, during my engagement, our uncle told me, you know, you should propose the way he proposed, and I proposed. That was like one of the greatest moment of my life. Like what I always wanted to do, and it just happened and spontaneously.
सारे आखदे तू लाट नीरी अगदी ते पुछणे तो डरदा गब्बरू प्यार तैनू करदा गब्बरू सारे आखदे तू लाट नीरी अगदी ते पुछणे तो डरदा गब्बरू लाट नीरी अगदी ते पुछने तो डरदा गब्बरू प्यार तेनू करदा गब्बरू सारे आखदे तू लाट नीरी अगदी ते पुछने तो डरदा गब्बरू प्यार तेनू करदा गब्बरू
तेरे गाने तो मैं वारियां वे तेरे गाने तो मैं वारियां वे गाने वाले तो बलिहारियां तो बलिहारियां जियो बनला उमरा सारियां जियो बनला शेरिया वालिया जियो बनला
The whole energy, how Sangeet started off, it's like a bang. I was very surprised and overwhelmed with the kind of support and the enthusiasm I saw from Nandu's family for Sangeet, because Sangeet is supposed to be very North Indian and very, Punjabi and loud, and a lot of bhangra and a lot of dhol and everything. And how everybody, her sister, her cousin, her brother, her chacha, everybody, how they all gelled in, how all of them danced, and everybody, the whole process was very nice and beautiful, and everybody was comfortable with each other, And good part is everybody came on floor and danced. That was one of the most overwhelming and the most happiest moment of my life, that everybody is happy to be a part of this ceremony.
ਮਿੱਤਰਾ ਪਿਆਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਸੋਹਣੇ ਬੜੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਤਰਸ ਵੀ ਖਾਇਆ ਕਰੋ ਜੀ ਕਦੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਗਲੀ ਭੁੱਲ ਕੇ ਵੀ ਆਇਆ ਕਰੋ ਜੀ ਕਦੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਗਲੀ ਭੁੱਲ ਕੇ ਵੀ ਆਇਆ ਕਰੋ ਜੀ ਕਦੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਗਲੀ ਭੁੱਲ ਕੇ ਵੀ ਆਇਆ ਕਰੋ ਜੀ ਕਦੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਗਲੀ ਭੁੱਲ ਕੇ ਵੀ ਸਤਾਇਆ ਕਰੋ ਜੀ ਕਦੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਗਲੀ ਭੁੱਲ ਕੇ ਵੀ ਆਇਆ ਕਰੋ ਜੀ ਕਦੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਗਲੀ ਭੁੱਲ ਕੇ ਵੀ ਕਰੋ ਜੀ ਕਦੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਗਲੀ ਭੁੱਲ ਕੇ ਵੀ ਆਇਆ ਕਰੋ ਜੀ ਕਦੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਗਲੀ ਭੁੱਲ ਕੇ ਵੀ ਆਇਆ ਕਰੋ ਜੀ ਕਦੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਗਲੀ ਭੁੱਲ ਕੇ ਵੀ ਆਇਆ ਕਰੋ ਜੀ ਕਦੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਗਲੀ ਭੁੱਲ ਕੇ ਵੀ ਆਇਆ ਕਰੋ ਜੀ ਕਦੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਗਲੀ ਭੁੱਲ ਕੇ ਵੀ ਆਇਆ ਕਰੋ ਜੀ ਕਦੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਗਲੀ ਭੁੱਲ ਕੇ ਵੀ ਆਇਆ ਕਰੋ ਜੀ ਕਦੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਗਲੀ ਭੁੱਲ ਕੇ ਵੀ ਆਇਆ ਕਰੋ ਜੀ ਕਦੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਗਲੀ ਭੁੱਲ ਕੇ ਵੀ ਆਇਆ ਕਰੋ ਜੀ ਕਦੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਗਲੀ ਭੁੱਲ ਕੇ ਵੀ ਆਇਆ ਕਰੋ ਜੀ ਕਦੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਗਲੀ ਭੁੱਲ ਕੇ ਵੀ
And was like, okay, that's not just a dancing event, it's going to be a dancing event for your wedding.
So Sangeet went off very well, and suddenly
பொங்கல் வண்ணனை கோவலனாய் வெண்ணை உண்டவாயனின் உள்ளம் கவர்ந்தானே பொங்கல் வண்ணனை கோவலனாய் வெண்ணை உண்டவாயனின் உள்ளம் கவர்ந்தானே அண்ட குணனி அரங்கன் என்ன முதினை அண்ட குணனி அரங்கன் என்ன முதினை கண்ண கண்கள் மற்றொன்றினை காணாவே कहीं दूर.
The first wedding also was very, very tiring. We all expected the Mangalorean wedding to be very hectic because the Mangalorean style of the wedding is a very long process, the Kanjivaram sari and all those flowers and all that kind of jewelry.
The whole process itself was very nice, very holy, very spiritual.
तितली दिल उड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर. चल के खुशबू से जुड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर. हाथ से ये कैसे अनसुने से जैसे चूमे अंधेरों को कोई नूर बन के. तितली दिल उड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर.
सिर्फ कह जाओ या आसमां पे लिख दूं तेरी तारीफों में चश्मे बदलूं.
बन के तितली दिल उड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर. चल के खुशबू से जुड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर.
And I expected to be a much more longer process and much more difficult, but it went off much easier, smoothly. I thought, people fall asleep and their body starts aching. It didn't happen. Could be.
भूरी भूरी आंखें तेरी कनखियों से तेज तीर कितने छोड़े. दानी दानी बातें तेरी उड़ते फिरते पंछियों के रुख भी मोड़े.
अधूरी थी जरा सी मैं पूरी हो रही हूँ तेरी सादगी में होके चूर. बन के तितली दिल उड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर. चल के खुशबू से जुड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर.
रातें गिन के नींदे बुन के चीज क्या है खाबदारी हमने जानी. तेरे सुर का साज बन के होते क्या है रागदारी हमने जानी.
जो दिल को भा रही है वो तेरी शायरी है या कोई शायराना है फिक्र. बन के तितली दिल उड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर. चल के खुशबू से जुड़ा 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 है कहीं दूर. हाथ से ये कैसे अनसुने से जैसे चूमे अंधेरों को कोई नूर. कुंडल वन्नने कोवलनाय वेणे उंडवायनिन उल्लम कवन्नानि. कुंडल वन्नने कोवलनाय वेणे उंडवायनिन उल्लम कवन्नानि.
then we started taking blessings of a lot of elders. And that was a very, very nice and very fulfilling moment. There's so many elders coming for a wedding and blessing us.
Once it got done with, everybody's really tired. Everybody's like, okay, now there's another wedding that you have to see from scratch the next day.
First time I wore a pagdi and a sardar. Kind of compliments I got, and people like, "Arey, you look like a real sir." And I was actually growing my beard for almost a week. I mean, for the Gurdwara wedding.
मैनू के आजादी का क्या होगा, मैं क्या डैडी का जो हाल तेरे वो तेरा हाल भी होगा। भाई तेरी जोड़ी नू नजर ना लगे, रब करे तेन भाभी से कभी डर ना लगे। कोई गुड लक तो करवा दो, कोई गुड लक तो करवा दो। साडे वीर दी वेडिंग है, बोतल खुलवा दो। साडे वीर दी वेडिंग है।
हायो मेरा वीरा वीरा, ओ वीरा साडा वीरा वीरा। हायो मेरा वीरा वीरा, ओ वीरा साडा वीरा।
Again, it was very nice and everybody was very happy. It's very colorful. The bhangra hai and then you have the barat aa rahi hai. The whole process. It's very nice. It's very good.
ओ रंग रेज, ओ रंग रेज तेरे रंग दरिया में, ओ रंग रेज तेरे रंग दरिया में। डूबना है बस तेरा बन के, हाय नहीं रहना दूजा बन के।
अपने ही रंग में मुझको रंग दे, धीमे धीमे रंग में मुझको रंग दे, सौंधे सौंधे रंग में मुझको रंग दे। रंग देना रंग देना रंग देना। अपने ही रंग में मुझको रंग दे, धीमे धीमे रंग में मुझको रंग दे, सौंधे सौंधे रंग में मुझको रंग दे। रंग देना रंग देना रंग देना।
This is a good moment and the good part was that Chachi ji of mine was from their side, because for them it's very different. They don't know how to go about it, you know. I mean, South Indians, how much, you know, they're very courteous and they can't be rude, and you know, they know. I mean, they're very mannered people, and the Punjabis are not that mannered. And that part, you don't have to be mannered. You have to really like fight it out and give it back to from word to word. So very nice that Chachi ji went to the girls' side, and she was fighting from their side from us to make sure they get the money and how to go about it. It's very nice.
मुझको रंग दे सोंधे सोंधे रंग में मुझको रंग दे रंग देना रंग देना रंग देना
निदा करदा निदा 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 ओ रंग रे रंग रेज तेरे रंग दरिया में ओ रंग रेज तेरे रंग दरिया में
डूबना है बस तेरा बनके नहीं रहना दूजा बनके
ओ रंग रेज ओ रंग रेज तेरे रंग दरिया में ओ रंग रेज तेरे रंग दरिया में
डूबना है बस तेरा बनके नहीं रहना दूजा बनके
अपने ही रंग में मुझको रंग दे धीमे धीमे रंग में मुझको रंग दे सौंदे सौंदे रंग में मुझको रंग दे रंग देना रंग देना रंग देना
अपने ही रंग में मुझको रंग दे धीमे धीमे रंग में मुझको रंग दे सौंधे सौंधे रंग में मुझको रंग दे अपने ही रंग में मुझको रंग दे धीमे धीमे रंग में मुझको रंग दे सौंधे सौंधे रंग में मुझको रंग दे अपने ही रंग में मुझको रंग दे धीमे धीमे रंग में मुझको रंग दे सौंधे सौंधे रंग में मुझको रंग दे रंग देना रंग देना रंग देना
By the end of it, we were married twice. So there's this huge joke about it. Like after one wedding, you normally have 7 जन्मों का रिश्ता. So Nirav kept saying, तेरा तो 14 होने वाला है. तेरा तो 2 बार confirmations दिए थे तूने.
Again, with the grace of God, I think everything went very smoothly, very nicely, and everybody was very happy, and it was a very joyous moment, and I saw a unison of 2 cultures coming together and respecting each other's culture and going about it. And then came the reception.
हाल दिल की शय पे चल कर आ गया हूँ तेरे दिल तक What a feeling
धड़कनों के लय पे चल कर आ गई हूँ तेरे दिल तक What a feeling
तेरा मेरा मेरा तेरा जरा जरा डरा डरा सा इश्क आया तेरे दिल तक
What a feeling What a feeling
Oh 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 what a feeling
What a feeling What a feeling
I think reception, all of us were pretty comfortable with each other. So I think everybody was sitting, relaxing and having a drink and having a good time. It's like a wrap up, you know.
यहीं कहीं कभी कभी कहीं कहीं यहाँ वहाँ यहीं कहीं
This marriage,
Nandu and Bunny, finally, we all knew that you are so good together as friends. You've been with each other for so many years, and somewhere, you know, it's best that you get married to your best friend, and that's what y'all have done. So I would say just be the kind of people you are with each other and with everybody else, because you guys are awesome. You guys are just amazing the way you are. So lots of love, best wishes from Sada.
Wishing you a very, very, very happy married life. All the very best. Nandu, if you have any issues, you know you can come to my mom. And Bunny, I don't care. All the best. Bye.
Yeah, congratulations and wish you all the very best in your new married life and have wonderful years ahead. Cheers.
Hi Manmeet. Well, I'm so glad I came here. I love you for inviting me. Thank you so much. Being with you, seeing you, brought back tons of memories. I miss those memories. I wish you and Nandita a very happy married life. Dude, we're always together. So anytime you need me, I'm always there. Best of luck.
this marriage, Bandi, this marriage.
What a feeling, what a feeling. Whoa, oh, oh, what a feeling.
Nandita, I wish you a very happy married life. Okay, bye. Congratulations, Banisha, Nandita ma'am. You guys are finally married. See, family as well, fumble. Banisha, Nandita ma'am, congratulations. You guys are finally married. I'm very, very happy for you guys. Hope you all the luck and good wishes. I don't know what I'm saying. Hope you guys all the luck. No, this is all. Wish you guys. Hope you're happy. Yeah, okay, thank you.
So let me think यार, मैं सोचा ही नहीं. वैसे बाकी दूसरों ने क्या दिया? मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, I love you so much. I love you so much from bottom of my heart. Always progress in your life. I love. God will give you everything, whatever you want. You are my nearest and dearest one. Whenever you needed me, I am always there. चलेगा? Huh? I'm always for you.
Hi Nandu and Manmeet, it's amazing. All your functions were fantastic. I must say, Nandita, you're the most beautiful South Indian and Punjabi bride. I mean, you look amazingly stunning. Lots of love. And Manmeet, welcome to the family. And we continue to drink together.
We wish a couple, Nandita and Manmeet, a blissful and a happily married life. I have known Nandita for a very short period of time, but I know she's a very, very wonderful human being. And the same is the case with Manmeet. I would say, just chill with the married life, and everything will be alright. And all the blessings from us, all the blessings from the family, everything, we are there to share all your joys and also the sorrows. Thank you.
Yebana and Nandu, all the best for your happy married life. I think this was the most important thing in my life, where I wanted to see my brother and Nandu settle down together. I've been waiting for it for a very long time, and I'm the most happy person to see both of you settle down. All the best, guys, and have a good life.
And we wish that you will bless this guy when he gets married.
I would like to bless Bunny and Anandita on their wedding day and give them all my blessings. And really may heaven's choices, blessings be showered on you all too. Most amazing and beautiful future. And all your dreams come true. And may you achieve stupendous success and have a very, very, very blessed and happy married life. I really, really bless you and I love you.
I want to wish Manmeet and Nandita a long, happy married life, and I want to shower blessings of the word on them.
Bunny, you're my son, and today I'm very happy to see you. तो इतने खुश हो with Nandita, and Nandita is a child to me. मैं उसे बचपन से देख रही हूँ, and I always thought she's a perfect for you, and I'm very happy she proved it. And you listen to your heart. तुम दोनों को खुश देखकर मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है. My child, I bless both of you. Good luck, happy married life, and God give you all the happiness.
So, Nandita and Manmeet, congratulations on your wedding. It's been a pleasure knowing you, Manmeet, and welcome to the family. You've been a friend, and now you run away with Nandita, but hell, it's still a great fun. Thank you very much, and wish you both the best.
Nandita to me has been one of my most favorite nieces. She's a wonderful human being, and she is as innocent as she was when she was a little child. I'm so happy and proud that she has got herself a wonderful man in the form of Manmeet. Manmeet, like her, is another wonderful human being and another honest soul. He's a lovely boy with great career prospects. So does Nandita. I'm quite sure together they will make a wonderful, wonderful couple. I wish God blesses them and showers all His blessings on them to make their marriage one of a kind.
See, like we wanted our second daughter to get married as early as possible. So finally she got married. Both of us, we are very happy, very happy. Here, something if they want to have few words on the. Yes. What else I can talk? Now we are most independent. I think we.
Not about you, it's about your daughter.
Daughter,
Talk about your daughter, not about yourself.
She is very creative, and I'm sure she will do very well in future.
You're talking about a marriage, not about a career prospect.
Marriage, I think it's a wonderful occasion we had. I hope she will look after all entire family.
Not our family, their family.
Our family and their family.
First of all, congratulations on your wedding, and may you have a happy and prosperous life. At the same time, I just wanted to say that I learned a lot from you, Bunny Bhaiya, because there are a few things that you actually mentioned that have stayed by me. One regarding, I think it was in the lift when you bought me my first phone, and you told me regards to why you bought it, and then you told me a story about my dad and you know what I'm talking about. So all these stories have actually stood by. Have been in my mind for a long time and will stay with me for a long time. So I've learned a lot from it. As well as Nandita Didi, the thing is, she gave me that first kurta. I think it's called a kurta, and it's one of my prized wardrobe possessions. So thank you. And also, you're always so hyper and enthusiastic. It kind of intimidates me. At the same time, it makes me envious of the fact that maybe there's a chance that there's no way I could do that. So it's just how lively you are as a person and how easily you can just talk to anyone and all that stuff. That's not something I can do. That's what I envy. So anyway, congratulations.
It's a very emotional moment for me. My son got married after boxing for the last 7 years.
When I saw Nandita first time, I don't know, something clicked in me. I said, she is the perfect girl for my son. And I told my son, she is a good girl. Don't lose her. Not lose her, but get married to her. And initially he was hesitant. He was not sure about himself. But with the passage of time, as you said, my wish came, started coming true. I am very happy. Such a good girl, such a homely woman has come to my son's life. I am not getting any proper words to explain. I don't know how to explain myself. I wish them well. I bless them long and happy life.
Are you feeling what I'm feeling? Whoa, oh, oh, what a feeling. Are you feeling what I'm feeling? Whoa, oh, oh, what a feeling. What a
See, for the first time I met Manmeet, he was a friend's friend. I didn't really know him too well. And I remember we were in college, in National College at that point of time, and we had a lot of common friends. Like I had got to know a set of people and he was their friend. And I had this boy who was in shorts and a t-shirt who came and said, Acha, what are you all doing now? Nothing. So let's do one thing, let's go to Madness. That was the most sidiest pub in Bandra. So I was like, are you serious? He said, yeah, everybody's going to Madness, let's go. And I was like, no, I don't intend to go to Madness right now. Everybody's bunking college and going in. They really thought there was the most happening place to go to at that hour.
But then also you entered in Madness with him, right? So coming back to
one thing which I know, that she's one of the strongest women I've always been around. She might be hyper, she might be losing her head very soon, you know, around this time. But yeah, she's the strongest woman. She always been beside me at any given point, at whatever stage of life I have been. You know, I've almost now known her for 14 years now. We were good best friends and now started dating each other. And hopefully in the next 15-20 years when we see this video, we'll be laughing and giggling about how we went about the whole process.
Manmeet and myself have always been very, very, very close friends, and we've been best friends for the longest time. So it was nice to know that you're getting married to your best friend and you're going to be settling down with your best friend. So you know him way too much to be uncomfortable about certain things.
She knows how to handle the situation very well when she has to. Okay. And when she knows how to work out things in situations where I get a little jittery and I'll not know how to go about it and everything. And best part Nandita is she takes everybody together and she walks. She's not a person who just thinks about themselves, and there are a lot of people who just think about themselves, how they want to go about things, and rest people will figure it out. And Nandita is completely the opposite. She's figuring out everybody else, and she will take care of herself. That's a very, very, very good quality that she should never lose.
See, it was a really funny thing. It was just like everybody was wondering like why I didn't cry on my bidai. It was like this big question. I was like, everybody cries at your bidai. How can you not cry at your bidai? And I was like, I didn't cry on my bidai because I knew who I was getting married to, and I was more than happy to get married to him. And it's been a very, very, very long wait for everybody. So I just thought it was good enough for it. Yeah? So I didn't really think it was important to cry at the point. So it was good.
Her laughter, that's the best. When she laughs, it makes me feel, that's the best part of my life.
this marriage, Bunny and Nandi's marriage, took 9 years of pre-production. I think that's the biggest ever in human history. And hopefully, when I go to Bunny's house next time, I'll get some non-veg food apart from only paratha and gobi and aloo. So Bunny was Bunny till yesterday. Now he's going to be Nandi's Bunny. And you know what bunnies do the best? Eat carrots and